Mountain walkers and travellers will often be in places where safe drinking water isn't available. Contaminated water and the subsequent illnesses that can arise from it can ruin a trip or a holiday. This is why at LifeSystems we have developed the most effective chemical treatment for making contaminated water safe to drink. The active used is called chlorine dioxide, and this powerful water disinfectant is effective at killing waterborne pathogens from viruses, bacteria and oocysts, including Giardia and Cryptosporidium. Chlorine dioxide also leaves no residue taste in the water, which is an added benefit when using this product. We offer this chemical in two formats, in tablets and droplets. Each of these boxes contains 30 tablets, enough to treat 30 litres of water. However, if the water being treated is very cold or you suspect Giardia or Cryptosporidium to be present, simply add 2 tablets per litre of water being treated. Swirl gently and wait 10 minutes before use, or wait 30 minutes if 2 tablets have been used. Once this time has passed, your water will be safe to drink. It's important to remember, when using any chemical water treatment, that the water being treated should be relatively clear. If there's any debris or matter in the water, this will reduce the effectiveness of the active being used. Particles should be removed either by straining the water through a piece of cotton or a similar weave fabric first.